Okay, you guys, are you ready to see my room?
Oh my god, you guys! I am so excited that this moment has arrived. Today I'm going to show you my new camera. So this is it right here. I actually wanted this camera for a very long time. I've been recording with my iPhone for a year now, and it's about like what, 40, almost 50 videos that I've recorded and uploaded to my YouTube channel, and I felt like it was just time to upgrade, you know, and get a little bit more serious or be more professional about it, if you will. So I decided to invest with this camera. So I did get the camera today. I just opened it from the carton Best Buy box, but this is the actual box. If you go to a store, this is what you get right here. I like that it's so pretty, you guys. It's like a rainbow kind of box. It's very appealing to the eye. It comes with a Rode mic, and it also comes with an SD card, and that's why I decided to invest on this one. So without further ado, I'm going to open the box and show you what I got. So the first thing I see is the SD card. It is a 32 gigabyte card. It's from SanDisk. I did wanted another one for like a 62 gigabyte or something like that, but I decided to pick this one. I mean, this one will suffice for now, and then I can just transfer my files to my external hard drive because I did buy an external hard drive. It also comes with the rodeo mic. I know it's reflecting too much crap on the thing, but this is how it will look like once I mount it. What's good about this one is that there's no battery required. There's a lot of great mics out there that I have been researching on, but they do need a battery, and I am so bad at charging stuff. I'm so bad at replacing batteries. I am very bad at turning things on and off obviously. So I think this would be fine for me. And then the star of the show, the Rebel T6i. It has Wi-Fi included. It comes with the lens, the 18 to 55 millimeter lens, and I will show it to you guys. So it comes with instructions. I will not read those obviously, and it comes with a DVD, but my computer doesn't have a DVD slot, so I won't be using that either. Then it comes with a strap. This is pretty cool, Canon strap. It comes with a battery, but I bought another one because, as you know, I'm really bad at charging stuff, so I needed a replacement. And oh, okay. It comes with the battery charger. I was nervous, I thought it didn't come with this, but yeah, it came with the battery charger, good. Okay, so here it is. This is the camera. Oh my god. Alright, so this is how it looks. And then what I do like about this camera, because I was researching a lot of cameras online, and what I do like about this camera is that it has a flip screen, and you can also flip it like front side. So even if I'm recording, because I'll record with you guys like this, and the flip screen, I can see the flip screen, you know. So this is the lens. Pretty cute. I'm so in love already. I can't believe I have a professional camera. I've never in my life had a professional camera. You know how it is. When you grow in the 90s, you have to earn stuff. Okay, so I'm going to open this thing up because it was covered with this plastic cover. So I have to take the other cap off from the back of the lens, and I have to align it right in this white spot. There's like a little white dot in the camera. Can you see it there? And then there's another dot right on the lens, and you are going to align those and snap it in. Now I gotta put the battery on, but it's not charged, so I'm just going to snap the mic first. And once I snap the mic, I'll show you how the camera looks at the end. I will charge the battery, and after it's charged, I want to use the camera to show you my YouTube studio, because I feel Like, there's no better way to test if I really like the camera. So for now, this is going to be in front of my camera, and there it is. Oh, it looks so fancy, you guys. So it has the cable, and I'm going to snap it on one end and place it right there. And there you go. This is how it's gonna be looking. This is what your girl is gonna be looking when I film YouTube videos. So I think that's it. I hope you like this unboxing. I'm going to charge the camera right now, and I'll be back when it's charged, probably today, like tonight or tomorrow. Right now it's like 8 p.m. and I have some family over at the pool, so I'm just gonna hang out with them for a little while. In the meantime, I'm going to charge the camera and I'll be back. Alright, I'll see you soon.
Okay, you guys, are you ready to see my room? Alright, this is it. Welcome to my studio, guys. I know it's really simple, but I feel like I'm getting there. So I wanted to show you everything I got here. The first thing that you can see are the curtains with the little twinkle lights. I have it on this little pole. It's not a pole, it's like a backdrop stand. And I have like, I think it's like four, yeah, like around 4 panels of those little sheer white curtains. And then on the back of it, I have lights, the twinkle lights. These are string lights, and I have like 2 sets. They are really, really tiny, but they lit a lot, and you can customize what they do with this little thing right here, like this little pack, and then you can just change it and they change, you know. It has like 8 settings. So I always put it like on the 7th setting. So if they look really organized at the bottom is because I have the extra strings attached with zip ties. Otherwise they are a tangle mess, like they get tangled so quickly, so fast. So now this is what I see when I'm recording, and I did that DIY ring light like the other day. I think a couple days before I bought the camera because I needed more lighting. But the first thing I see is John's Bowflex. We never use it, and I never use it either, so we decided to set this room, quote unquote, as a gym, but that never happened. So I use this room for recording. So I have my 2 soft boxes. This is what I got a while ago, and I needed more lighting, so then I did this DIY. It's like 2 set of LED rope lights, and then you set it up like this. There's a lot of videos on YouTube that show you how to do it, so you can do it yourself. And then I bought this tripod a while ago as well. It had like a little phone attachment to it, but now since I have a camera, I just took that off and used it as the camera settings. So this is my makeup. I have a bunch of makeup, and I tried to organize it as much as possible for you guys, but Gabby was here the other day and she's like, Jesus, what is this mess? Because I have so much makeup and I honestly don't have like any cabinets to store it in or anything. So I do what I can. Like growing too fast. So this is my makeup here, and then I have this little chair with some more palettes that I honestly almost don't use except for that Dream Street palette. But I used to sit on that chair, this little chair right here, and now I have this one that my mother-in-law got, and she didn't take it with her when she left, so I've been using it, and it's a game changer because I can adjust it like up and down, and that way I don't have to adjust my tripod instead. And then I bought this microphone stand, so then the mic is like right in front of me. But before that, I used to have this lapel mic attached to my phone. So then I have this mirror right here, and I have a bunch of books that I set it up with because I loved this mirror, but it doesn't have a tall stand. So I just made it work with some books. I should have just bought a mirror that had a stand, but this one is too pretty to let it go. And I have this book. It's in like a makeup book. It's in Spanish. I've had it for a long time. I'm thinking about like more than 10 years. So who would have known, right, that I bought this book. I wanted to get good at makeup, and I would finish doing a YouTube channel about makeup, but that's how life works. I have my computer here, and I changed the display for you because I thought this was prettier than the one I had. I had like some icicles with like a winter kind of theme. I'm like, come on, it's summer, I'm in Florida. I should change this. So I did change it. And then I have this external hard drive that I bought a while ago too. And then I bought these white foam boards. It's for like projects and stuff. And it's a trifold one. I bought two because I want to set this as a reflector. So the project would be to set them like right over here, like next to the soft boxes, like right there. So that way it bounces light and it helps me with better lighting on my studio. But yeah, this is really simple. I do like it. It's getting better. Then I have that closet, but I'm not going to show you what's in there because it's a mess. And here's my other battery pack, my battery replacement, and that's about it. Hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this. Okay, you guys, so this is how it's looking with the new camera and the new microphone. I hope the quality looks good. I hope you see the difference. I see the big difference on my backdrop because now I am on focus and my backdrop is out of focus, like a little blurry. And I love that. That's exactly what I wanted. I think that this is the setting that I kind of want, but I'm still testing all of the settings out to see which one will look best in the long run. Obviously, I changed because this is a whole new day. This is not the same day I recorded the new unboxing. I just couldn't do it. I had family visiting. Gabby was here and Alex was here. And we were at the pool. We stayed, you know, hanging around until like really, really late. I can't even remember what time it was. So I decided to just record this another day. If you're excited about this quality, please comment yes girl in the comment section below. I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing with your life? Help me out here. If you don't want to miss any videos, don't forget to subscribe, okay? So I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.